Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Lee, and in this video tutorial you'll learn the simple steps for hiding sheets in Excel. Hiding sheets can be helpful if you want to make them invisible to yourself or to anyone accessing the workbook. It's easy to do, just follow along. We'll use this table as an example. You can see that we have two sheets, questions and months. The questions sheet should be visible, as it contains the questions we want to ask with the drop-down list we created in one of our previous tutorials. The months sheet doesn't need to be visible, as it is used to store the source data for the drop-down menu. To make the workbook look neat and professional, let's hide the months sheet. Select it by clicking on it, then right-click and choose the Hide option. Perfect, the sheet with the list of months has been hidden. Keep in mind that the data from the months sheet are still available and you can still work with them even though the spreadsheet is hidden. This means the drop-down list still works, despite the fact the source data for this list are on the hidden spreadsheet. If you want to learn more about working with spreadsheets, such as how to unhide, rename or completely delete a spreadsheet, watch our up-and-coming Sheet Leveler video tutorials. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.